Hey there, beautiful souls! Ready to turn your thumbs green? Growing your own food is like having a little piece of heaven right in your backyard. And who doesn't want a slice of paradise? Today we're going to be talking about some of my favorite Caribbean herbs and spices that are super easy to grow right at home. No green thumb required. Whether you've got a big backyard or just a little windowsill, we've got you covered. Even if your gardening space is the size of a postage stamp. Growing your own herbs is not only good for the soul, but it's good for your wallet too. Think of all the money you'll save for more important things, like more plants. So, get ready to get your hands dirty as we dive into the wonderful world of Caribbean herbs and spices. Let's get growing and make our gardens the envy of the neighborhood. Brag about your green thumb to all your friends. Next up, lemongrass. This incredible herb is not just a staple in Asian cuisine, but also a versatile plant with numerous benefits. And trust me, it's got some funny stories to tell. This herb has a bright, citrusy aroma that screams summertime. Lemongrass loves warm weather, thriving in sunny spots with well-drained soil. It's like the sunbather of the plant world, but you can grow it in a pot and bring it indoors during winter. This makes it perfect for those who live in cooler climates. Imagine it as your tropical guest who overstays their welcome. Start with fresh stalks from the grocery store or seedlings. Look for firm green stalks with a bit of the root base still attached. Think of it as picking the best-looking contestant in a plant beauty pageant. Trim the top leafy part and place the bottom inch or two in a glass of water. Ensure the water level covers the base but not the entire stalk. It's like giving your lemongrass a spa day. Change the water daily, and roots will grow in about a week or two. This simple method ensures your lemongrass gets a healthy start. It's like watching a plant reality show. Roots, the lemongrass edition. Once the roots are a couple of inches long, plant the stalk in a pot or directly in the ground. Make sure the soil is rich and well-draining. Think of it as moving your lemongrass into a luxury condo. Lemongrass tea is soothing and great for digestion and stress relief. Simply steep fresh or dried lemongrass in hot water for a refreshing drink. It's like a warm hug in a cup. It's also a fantastic addition to soups, curries, and marinades. Its unique flavor enhances both savory and sweet dishes. It's the culinary equivalent of a surprise party in your mouth. Plus, it's a natural mosquito repellent. This makes it a great plant to have around during summer evenings. Imagine it as your personal bouncer, keeping those pesky mosquitoes at bay. Crush some leaves and rub them on your skin. The natural oils will help keep those pesky insects at bay. It's like wearing a plant-based superhero cape. Lemongrass is easy to grow, smells amazing, and has many uses. From culinary delights to natural remedies, it's a must-have in any garden. It's the Swiss Army knife of herbs. So, if you're looking for a versatile herb, lemongrass is your go-to. Its benefits extend beyond the kitchen, making it a valuable addition to your home. And who knows, it might even have a few more funny stories up its stock. Alright y'all, it's time to spice things up with Scotch bonnet peppers. These peppers pack a punch and are essential in Caribbean cuisine. Scotch bonnet peppers love the heat, so plant them in a sunny spot. They prefer well-drained soil and need to be kept moist but not overwatered. Once they start producing vibrant peppers, you'll be glad you planted them. A little warning: Scotch bonnet peppers are hot. Like, accidentally touch your face and regret it hot. Wear gloves when handling them. Trust me, your eyes will thank you. Start with a small amount when cooking and taste as you go. Unless you enjoy breathing fire. These peppers add incredible depth of flavor to dishes and are a good source of vitamins A and C. Handle them with love and respect, and they'll reward you with amazing flavor. And maybe a few spicy surprises. Let's cool things down with some refreshing mint. This versatile herb is not only a delight to the senses, but also a powerhouse of benefits. From its invigorating aroma to its myriad of uses in the kitchen, mint is truly a gem in the world of herbs. And hey, did you know mint is so cool it could probably moonlight as a stand-up comedian? It's always got the freshest jokes. Mint adds a burst of flavor to drinks, desserts, and savory dishes. Imagine a hot summer day and you sip on a cool mint lemonade, or think about a rich chocolate dessert elevated by the fresh taste of mint. Even savory dishes like lamb or salads can benefit from a hint of mint. It's like the Swiss Army knife of herbs, always ready to save the day. Mint is a spreader, so it's best to grow it in a container. This way you can control its growth and prevent it from taking over your garden. A container also makes it easier to move the plant around to find the best spot for it. Think of it as mint's very own VIP section. Choose a sunny spot for your pot and ensure the soil is well drained. Mint thrives in sunlight and needs good drainage to prevent root rot. A little care goes a long way in ensuring a healthy, thriving mint plant. Just like us, mint loves a good sunbath. Mint is a thirsty herb, so keep the soil moist but not soggy. Regular watering is key, but be careful not to overdo it. The soil should feel damp to the touch but not waterlogged. Remember, mint likes its drinks just right, like Goldilocks. Harvest it regularly. The more you cut it back, the bushier it will become. Mint is versatile. Regular pruning encourages new growth and keeps the plant looking lush and full. Plus, you'll always have fresh mint on hand for your culinary adventures. It's like giving your mint a stylish haircut. It'll thank you by looking fabulous. Use it in drinks like mojitos, desserts like chocolate cake, and even in savory dishes. The possibilities are endless. Mint can transform a simple dish into something extraordinary with its fresh, vibrant flavor. It's like the fairy godmother of herbs, turning ordinary into extraordinary, and savory dishes like salads. A handful of mint leaves can add a refreshing twist to your favorite salad, making it more exciting and flavorful. It's like a surprise party in your mouth. Mint also has digestive benefits, soothing an upset stomach and freshening breath. A cup of mint tea can work wonders for your digestive system, helping to relieve bloating and discomfort. It's like having a tiny green superhero in your kitchen. Next time you're feeling under the weather, reach for some fresh mint. Whether it's in a tea or added to your meals, mint can provide a comforting and soothing effect. It's like a warm hug in herb form. It's like a little hug for your tummy. The aroma alone can lift your spirits and make you feel more relaxed and at ease. Who knew a plant could be such a great therapist? Mint is easy to grow and adds a refreshing touch to your garden. With just a little care, you can enjoy the many benefits of this wonderful herb right at home. So go ahead, give mint a try. Your garden and your taste buds will thank you. Last but not least, we've got cilantro. This herb is a staple in Caribbean cuisine. Cilantro can be finicky to grow, so plant it in the cooler months to avoid bolting. It prefers well-drained soil and partial shade during the hottest part of the day. Keep it moist, especially during dry spells. To keep cilantro producing longer, try succession planting. Sow a few seeds every couple of weeks for a continuous supply. Cilantro adds unique flavor to dishes like jerked chicken, rice and peas, salsas, and chutneys. It's like the Swiss Army knife of herbs. It's also delicious in smoothies and cocktails for a refreshing twist. Who knew cilantro could be so fancy? So get out there and get growing. Your taste buds will thank you. Back, you might need a break.